kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our handwriting today. So we are working on two letters. We're working on the letter H and the letter K. And again, when we're working on these letters, like any letter, we always start at the top. So we're going to take a quick peek at our H here. And again, when we're writing and doing any sort of handwriting, it's all about being in control, slow and in control. This whole page should take some time because you want to take your time and do your best work. So I'm going to start with my H, and you're going to start like this. Big line down, then you're going to go to the other side. Big line down, little line across. Okay, whoops. So I'm going to start here where it says copy H. So with my pencil, I'm going to trace, okay? Big line down, I come to the other side, big line down, little line across, okay? Now I'm going to do it again. Big line down, come back up, big line down, little line across. See how I took my time and did my best work? And none of the lines are going under that line here. Okay, then I'm going to trace again. Big line down, then I'm coming back, big line down, little line across. Also notice when I'm tracing, you can't even tell I'm tracing because I'm taking the time and staying right on that line. All right, now it's my turn. Big line down, come back up, big line down, little line across. Fabulous. Then I'm going to do it again. Big line down, little line across. Making H's are fun. Here we go again. Big line down, little line across. All right, now I'm going to make one here. Big line down, little line across. Now here I get to make my own. There's no dot, so I have to do my best. Big line down, little line across. I felt like I did my best. I took my time and I went really slow. So I'm going to give it a check because I did a great job. Then I'm going to take a look at the H's that I made, and the one that I think I did the best, I'm going to circle. I think this one is my best one. It's the one I'm most proud of. All right, so circle the one that you're most proud of. All right, are you ready to take a look at our K's? This is a fun letter too. It's in my name, Mrs. Cool. So I'm going to start here. Big line down, then I'm going to go little line, little line. See how I did that? Okay, let's try it. Big line down, little line, little line. Say, I don't pick up my pencil there. Do you see that? Okay, let's try it together. Big line down, then I'm going to come over here. Little line, little line. Okay, didn't pick up my pencil at all. Okay, let's do it again. Big line down, little line, little line. Great job. Here we go. Big line down, little line, little line. Okay, make sure you're not picking up your pencil there. So you're just kind of going little line, little line. Okay, here we go. Let's trace. Big line down, little line, little line. Fabulous. Here we go. Big line down, little line, little line. All right, let's do one more tracing. Big line down, little line. Oops, see how when I was tracing, my paper moved and I didn't quite get on the line? That's okay, because that's why I use my pencil. And then I can erase, because I want to do my best work. Even teachers have to use erasers. All right, here we go. Big line down, little line, little line. Okay, now I'm going to do my best work here without a dot. Big line down, little line, little line. So I took my time and did my best work, so I'm going to give myself a check. And then I'm going to look at all the K's, and I really think This is the K I'm most proud of. So I'm going to circle that one. That one I felt like I did my best work. So we have K for koala, K, koala, H, heart. When you finish, make sure you take a picture and you send it to me, but make sure it's your absolute best work, your best kindergarten work. And I know you guys can all do it when you take your time. All right, boys and girls, thank you and have a super day.